guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. So, my previous video I said I'm done, I'm not talking about it anymore, but I did just want to address it one more time because I've gotten so many messages from people saying, Vanessa, what's the final verdict? Liz Perfectly is against Poshmark's terms of service because of how they go about gathering their data from Poshmark. So no, it's not because they're a bot, it's because of how they extract their data from Poshmark onto their website. It's right in Poshmark's terms of service. I'll link it down below. I'm done talking about it. Put your business at risk, put your closet at risk, do whatever you want, but don't say I didn't warn you. Okay, questions. Have you ever had someone tell you anything about reposhing something from their closet for a higher price? I sometimes find very good deals, but don't know why I get a little nervous for that person to tell me something. Love your videos. Okay, so I think you're asking if I've ever purchased something from someone on Poshmark and sold it for a higher price and they've gotten pissed. Yes, that has happened a couple times actually, and honestly, I don't care. I don't understand why it matters to that person. I purchased from them fair and square. I gave them my money, they got their money. It's really none of their business what I do with it. That's my own opinion. At first, honestly, I did feel weird doing it. I was like, you know, what if this person gets mad? But then I'm like, why do I care? It's none of their business. I bought it from them. You know, if they don't know that they could sell it for a higher price, that's not my fault. You know, like I shouldn't feel bad for them because I was able to get a good deal and turn around and make a profit over something I bought from them, you know? So, yeah, I've definitely felt that way before, and I definitely have had people get mad at me and I've had to block them. But honestly, it's none of their business. It really isn't. Okay, next question. I made an offer on an item that was accepted. 2 days later, I received an alert that the item shipped. When I went back to the listing, it says the listing you're looking for is no longer available, and when I click on the seller has no items. Previously had 200 items for sale. No other info in the closet, etc. Please help. I'm new to Poshmark and I'm wondering if it was a real thing. Thanks in advance for your response. Okay, so a couple of things could have happened, I guess. So maybe their closet was suspended. I would check to see if the money came out of your bank account or whatever you use to pay, if you use like a Posh credit to pay for it. And then just kind of go from there. When did you send me this comment? A couple of days ago. So I'm wondering if there's been an update. Yeah, I've never had that happen before. So I don't know. I don't know why else. Unless it was like a counterfeit item and Poshmark took it down, then you'd obviously get refunded. So I guess just keep an eye on like your bank account and your mailbox to see if anything shows up. You can definitely try contacting Poshmark and asking them, you know, what's going on, and they might be able to help you out. But yeah, I've never seen that before. Next question. I've seen so many listings that have random keywords in the description. What is the point of this? Are you allowed to do this? So I've seen this a lot too. I actually saw someone on Facebook post about this recently. This is like the screenshot that they posted. I'm not gonna show it to you because there's like names and stuff. But basically it's a listing for a Nike Golf Dry Fit polo shirt. And the keywords are top, blouse, dress, towel, blanket, socks, tights, boots, rubber, jelly, sandals, jeans, adjustable, ruffle, hearts, bow, like just ridiculous things that don't even have to do with a Nike golf shirt. Crystal rhinestones, bling stone, gold, silver, colorful wedding, engagement, date night, ring necklace, earrings, bracelet, long, short, statement, choker, like just random ass words. And the reason why people do that is because those words will show up in searches. Those are words that people use to search other items. But like the logic, like if someone's looking for like a crystal rhinestone, bling stone, gold, silver necklace, and they stumble across a Nike dry fit shirt, they're like, oh shit, even though I was looking for a blinged out necklace, I'm gonna buy this Nike golf shirt. Like, technically you're not supposed to do that on Poshmark, but we all know that there's things you're not supposed to do on Poshmark, but people get away with it all the time. So that's why they do that. You know, it's a little trick. But yeah, you're not supposed to do that. Okay, next question. In the past few weeks, I've gotten a lot of questions from people asking me, how does this run? How do I answer that? I get that question too. You know, there'll be a sweatshirt and people will be like, how does this run? Does it run big or small? And honestly, I mean, I provide measurements. So I tell them, hey, you know, these are the measurements. Sometimes, you know, if I know for sure, like a certain brand runs, you know, bigger or smaller, then I'll tell them. It's frustrating because every brand you know, doesn't fit the same. For instance, Victoria's Secret, like their sizes are all over the place. I can fit into an extra small all the way up to like a large with Victoria's Secret. Like their sizing is just so weird. But like I would never be able to fit into an extra small from like Abercrombie. It's definitely annoying that brands aren't consistent with their sizing, but that's what I do. I provide measurements. I say, hey, you know, these are the measurements, you know, the size medium, these are the measurements. They might have the measurements of a medium and they might have the measurements of a large. I definitely suggest providing measurements because that, I mean, you can't really get around that. You know, it's like measure yourself, and then you'll be able to tell if it'll fit you or not. My mom actually sells on Poshmark too. I don't think I ever told you guys my mom sells on Poshmark too, but she's had 2 cases open against her in the past like couple of weeks, and it's for items that don't fit right, which isn't her fault. You know, like if she sells a shirt and says, hey, the shirt's a small, if the tag says a small and it doesn't fit like a small, that's not her fault. That's not grounds for return. Poshmark even agrees with that. That's not grounds for return. So I told her, you know, you should start including measurements in your listing to kind of help that. Yeah, that's the way to get around it. If somebody asks you if something runs big or small, just give them the measurements. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. I did want to mention I am going to be doing another raffle soon. So I did one months ago, couple months ago, weeks ago. When the hell was that? Like a couple months ago, I think. I raffled off a Lululemon outfit, a tank top and leggings. And I'm going to be doing that again soon, but I want your, sorry, I'm holding, oh my gosh, first of all, you guys, this is my new favorite lip gloss. I love it. I'm wearing it right now. It is ColourPop's Fantasia. I actually just placed another order with them and ordered 2 more because this is going to be like my go-to fall lip color. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I want your input. What do you guys want to see in the raffle? Like what brands? So basically, if you're confused, what I did was I had 10 entries with only 10 entries, so everyone paid $10, and then I put everyone's name into a generator online and somebody's name was randomly chosen. So they got a Lululemon outfit for $10, which was amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do that again. I just want to know like what brands you guys would want to see, like what kind of clothes. Do we want like a fall outfit? Do we want like a sweater and a pair of jeans, or you know, like what? Comment down below and let me know. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna make my thumbnail of me smiling this time because I've gotten some people being like, Vanessa, why do you do ugly thumbnails? I'm like, cause I just do. I'm not like a selfie person at all. I'm not like I can't take selfies of myself and take myself seriously. I can't. So my thumbnails are just silly because that's what I am. I'm silly. Okay, bye.